Okay, we've sanded it down real good. We got the mouth fit correctly. We got the bar and stuff in here. Last thing we need to do now to finish it up is to put the ears on and our side bolts. So I put the blocks on here so I can glue and screw the ears on, and before, if I didn't have a block on here, this would tend to slide on me when I tried to put it on. So by putting the blocks on there, it keeps it from sliding on me. Again, we're going to use a 1-inch screw, and I measured where I wanted to put it and marked our center there for that. So we're going to glue it, and then we're going to screw it in. The screw helps keep it in there so it doesn't get knocked off, and the glue will help keeping it from turning on you. Put that where we want it. Down. Look, make sure it's straight before it sets up on you. Now we're going to do the same to this side. Using a 1-inch screw. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you get any glue on there, just wipe it off. Got our ears on, and they're both pretty straight. So what we're going to do now is do our side bolts that we had for this. Got our bolt here. We're going to just glue it into this. One's in. Make sure it's straight before it has a chance to set up on you. Do the same to this side. Okay. So if these do ever come out, all you need is a little wood glue. Put them on there and just kind of clamp it in. Which we're going to put a clamp on it, just to play it safe. That way we keep just a little bit of pressure on it. just like that, and then we'll let that set and dry real good. Then we'll take it in and we'll coat the head and seal it. Thanks for watching.